Hi, this is Zach from Docusoft, and today I will be showing you the add-in for Microsoft Word. So if I bring a Word document up, so this is a brand new sheet, I'm just going to start creating a document. So if I wanted to save this document into the system, all I would do is pull out from the side here, and you can see this is part of the add-in. You'll see the cloud is grayed out at the moment, so that's how you would submit it. So I just start needing to follow through with this. So general correspondence, choose my client, so I can either start typing them or choose them from a drop down list. It's easy just to start typing the name in. Click on that client. I can choose the category of, and these are set up within the admin side of things, so you can have categories per section. So I can say this one's complete. I need to give it a description, so this is the file name. So again, all you would do from here is you can either use a standard description. Again, it's set up in the admin side, and you can have as many standard descriptions up, or you can give it a name. So let's call this one letter. Then I've got incoming is always ticked, and I can tick track. If I'm going to action it or copy to a colleague and I want to make sure that they do what they said they would do, you can track it, and that shows within the system. Or I can publish it directly to the portal to send to a client via the portal for e-signature or approval. And I can also retain that document. So it's ticking what you would need on that time. I can then action this into myself, and I'd need to give myself a reason why I'm setting myself up a task. So it could be, please check over and send to client for signature. So this is going to be my task that's created. Then I've got tax year and financial year if you need them, and these are user-defined fields, so you can create more of these within the admin side of things as well, if there's others that you would need. I can give it an action by date. This is for the task that I've just created. So I could say in 2 days' time I need to look at that. And then once I'm happy I've filled all of this in, I would just go to the cloud button at the top, click that, and that will save the document directly into Docusoft DMS on the cloud. Also, we've got an add client button here. So this is just a shortcut to adding a client. So you can add a new client here. It's taking you directly to our cloud to do so. Also, we've got this check for updates button. This is just checking for updates of the add-in. So we update it every 2 to 4 weeks. So it's worth just checking every now and then to see if we've put any new updates out. This may fix any little issues, or it could be that there's a new feature entirely on the system. We're always adding new features and benefits. Then you'll see I've got a checked out documents button. You'd only see this if you have documents checked out of the system. So if I click on this, I can see my checked out documents. It's a letter 2020. I can select it and it will bring it here to work on. Now I can make changes to this. Once I'm happy with it, I can either save to cloud and leave it checked out, and then pick it back up in the system later on, or I can check it back in from here and it checks back into the system. So if I click on the check-in, now you'll see that checked out button has disappeared. So to check a document out of the system, if I go to our cloud, so this is just any browser, go to mydocusoft.co.uk, fill in my details, click the login button, and then that will just for us. And then down the left hand side here I've got search, so that's going into the DMS. So I would just select search. Selecting search will bring up the search part. Now if I look at Hill Premier Accountants, General Correspondence, I should see the document I created a second ago, and also we had that letter 2020 that we just checked back in again. So if I want to check this document out that we created earlier on, to work on, I can just click on the checkout button up here, and it will take you to our cloud-based Word system that we built into here. So you can work on it within our cloud. So I could go to Home now, and it looks like Microsoft Word. It's our own version, and you could do the changes in here. But if not, you can close this down, and then when you go back into Word, if you open up a new Word document like so, it should have that checked out document on there for you to work on. So I've gone to a blank document. So you go to a blank document, and you'll see you've got that checked out documents bit here. So you can select that, and then you can see that letter and open it up into Microsoft Word again to work on. Once I've finished with this document, or I've made some changes, again, I can save it to the cloud, and I can check it back in again. Thank you very much for listening. Please check out my other videos. There's other add-in videos for Excel and for Outlook. Please check those out on our YouTube channel. Thank you.